Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Lenovo model and serial so you get the correct drivers. This prevents mismatches that cause errors. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up crucial files to undo changes if needed. Then close non-essential applications, plug into AC power, and ensure a stable internet connection so downloads won't fail. Now open Lenovo Vantage or the Lenovo support site and enter your model to view available updates. That's your starting point. You'll often let Lenovo Vantage handle most updates because it detects and queues drivers for your model, saving time and avoiding wrong packages. If you prefer manual control, download drivers in this order. Chipset first, then graphics, audio, and network. This order reduces dependency conflicts. Run each installer as administrator and follow prompts. If the installer asks to restart, do it immediately so device services register correctly. Make sure Device Manager shows no unknown devices and that driver versions match expected releases. You finish by verifying updates in Device Manager. Expand categories and confirm new driver versions and the absence of yellow warning icons. That proves successful installation. Then test hardware functions like Wi-Fi, audio, webcam, and a graphics-heavy app so you catch runtime issues. If something breaks, you can roll back the driver from Device Manager or restore the system using the restore point you made. Make sure to record any error codes or symptoms so you can search targeted fixes or contact Lenovo support with precise details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.